Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 10th day of April 2026. And those of you who followed us for any length of time know by now this we use our strong candle indicator that you can only find at Samurai Day Trading. It's this little triangle pointing up saying take this towards the top of the screen, and that's what we're going to do. Now we have to wonder about what kind of target are we going to set. And we look over here at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be around 50 ticks on length. Given the setup, the sellers have made a massive move down, and now the buyers are making their first attempt to go back the other way. So you'll notice these red candles also went very well short. We could have taken either one of these. It's the same situation, only short up here. So here we go. We're going to wait for this next candle to push down a little bit. We're going to check our ATM. We're going to go for 16s, 30s. Then we'll throw a runner out there of 90 ticks, just in case we happen to catch lightning in a bottle. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So here's how it all went down in the live trading room today. So we're going to put an order on to go long. We start it up, wait for the market to show me some red. Show me some red. Then we'll go ahead and get it done. The market's been pretty slow. That's not much of a retrace. I'd like a little bit more. But I think we went in here and had to make a little bit of a sweat. But we'll see. As soon as we get picked up and our targets are set, now there we go. We'll go ahead and speed this up so we're not here all day. All right, again, the strong candle indicators, amazing. We had the same setup here. We just didn't have a retrace on the next candle. Same setup here, coming back down. Same setup long right here. So back and forth we go. This indicator, you don't have to be a math whiz to figure out. Whenever I get this set up with this strong candle indicator, we're just going to go ahead and go. So yeah, it's quite makes trading quite easy. So again, you can see it's taking a little time to get the market's a little slow today comparatively. Now the neat part about waiting for the retrace here is if this just decides to pound short, then we're not even in the trade. But if it does fail on the retrace and comes and picks us up, it's highly likely we're going to at least get our first target out, and probably a lot more. So we're just waiting to get picked up so that our targets are set and we don't get jumped or skipped in the trade. So you can see the candle's almost half over. I'm loving this retrace. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Just adds another failure to go short. And there we go. All right, so first thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs. And we'll go ahead and put under the brick walls. It goes under the last major failure area. We go ahead and speed up the chart. And we'll go from there. This is going to be a multi-candle trade because we have a pretty large last target. With the PVI being so low, it's going to take some time if we are actually going to hit it. Now, notice that when we hit our first target, we de-risked the trade completely. So we only had risk on this trade until our first target's hit. Then we de-risk it completely and see if we can catch our runners. It works really well for beginner traders, especially, who don't like to carry risk for a long period of time and get a little jumpy and a little antsy. So we're out. Our 16s are out. Our 30s are out. Now we're just going to sit back and wait and see if we can get our 90 tick target busted. We are going to speed this up a little bit more. I believe this takes one more candle than this, but it's worth the wait. It's meeting some resistance. I mean, you can look left and you can see where the resistance is. We could take everything out here, and it would probably be safer to take everything out. But we are stair stepping. We're with the trend now. We just changed the trend, and we could actually put another trade on here. We have another strong candle, and it's going to come and take out our last target at some point. There's a nice little retrace off that brick wall, and it's having a hard time getting that last target. It does get it eventually. Look, we had a 90 tick target. Just be patient. This is taking 15 minutes now at plus. There we go. 15 plus 2 took 17 minutes to complete, and that trade was worth 770 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 770 US dollars in 17 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you the next time. So God bless you, and we'll see you then.